What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Away with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. This simple forex trading strategy makes my students $1,000 a day. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. Appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this. We also live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. So we have a free signal, free Telegram, and every Sunday at the beginning of the week, I drop the Sunday chart analysis. And I always tell y'all, this doesn't just go over what I think price is going to do Sunday night going into Monday, but this is my projection of what I see price doing throughout the entire week. And one of the charts I went over was GBP New Zealand. And as you can see, I dropped this at 9:37 p.m. And I had one of my students during London session send me this screenshot saying, "This is good grits and eggs for breakfast. I love this trade in the Sunday chart analysis. Thanks, bro." And as you can see, this was GBP New Zealand. You can see the price right here, 706 that he entered at. You see he's up 663 here. You see he's up another 381. You do the math. Yeah, boy is eating, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. We caught a total of 157,608 pips, 125,674 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room, ending them up 32.5, giving us an 86% win rate. Now, this is how we did last quarter. July, we went 34 wins, 3 losses. August, we took 45 wins, 7 losses. And in September, we took 27 wins, 4 losses, catching 105,389 pips July, 219,708 pips in August, and 16,634 pips in September, giving us a total of 341,731 pips caught, 323,385 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the quarter, 106 wins, 14 losses, giving us an 88% win rate. Every trade posted has the date, the time the trade was posted, my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. Now let's get straight into this video. And you see price broke that level, retested, held as resistance, and then beautiful drop to the downside. So this trade right here, as far as where it's at right now, is a nice 1 to 2, almost 1 to 3% reward. So it's a 2.8. We're just going to round up to 3. So that means whatever you risked, you're making almost 3 times that amount. So it's $100. I'm up around $280, almost $300. If I risk $1,000, I'm up around $2,800, almost $3,000 off this one trade alone. So now we're going to break down why I saw sells and how you can catch a similar setup just like this one. So the first thing I like to do is I like to identify the trend on the daily time frame. Again, the daily time frame is going to tell me what price is doing overall on a day-by-day basis versus me going on a smaller time frame. I try to identify the trend and also entering on the same time frame. That's how you get caught out in fake outs and liquidity sweeps. So as you can see right here, we had some bullish momentum, but then that came to a staggering stop. Price kept on rejecting this level, tried one more time, failed to break that level. Then we see this support level right here start being treated as resistance, and then we started to see lower lows getting made. Then we saw this level starting to be treated as resistance. So because we saw lower lows getting made, and we saw price constantly trying to break this level, and we also saw price constantly start treating newer levels as resistance, that showed me that this week might be the week we're going to blow through this level, on top of it being a new month. So of course, we don't just assume that it enters sells. We have to wait for our confirmations. But now that we understand we're looking for sells, that's when we mark off our key price levels and then wait for those confirmations. Boom, so now I got my key price levels marked off. So it was at this point when price broke and pushed down, and I saw it holding this level as resistance where previous weeks price couldn't hold that level as resistance, was treating that support. That was my first indication that, yeah, we could see that lower low and that new low get made this week and get made today particularly. That's when we can see this new lower low and this new level get broken today. But again, we have to wait for that confirmation. So that is then when we go into the smaller time frame. So when we go into the smaller time frame, we see something a lot more interesting. So we see here that this was when price was rejecting that level, tried again, rejected that level. So again, we see it's also still respecting this level as resistance. So again, we're just waiting to see if price can hold this level as resistance. If it can, we're going to go for a sell. So we just got to patiently wait. Boom. So we saw price retest on the 15 here and then push down, but you want to wait for a better retest confirmation. I suggest waiting for price to actually retrace, push up, and show us still respecting and holding. And that's exactly what happened here. We see price retested, went from red to green. We see it's holding as resistance. So that would have been the signal to enter. And as you can see right after that, boom, beautiful drop to the downside. And again, it's that simple, y'all. It's that simple. And you see exactly how it's reacting here, which is why we have these levels in place. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join a free signal, free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my signal services, or my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. Before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.